Let us see how to make the besan ka halwa today. For our recipe, we take 1 cup besan and 1 to 2 teaspoons of rava and nicely dry roast this. We should ensure that we roast this mixture very well so that the raw smell of the besan goes away. Now to this we add 1 cup of ghee and nicely mix it. Allow it to cook well in low flame. You simmer the flame and allow this mixture to nicely cook. This will slowly change color from yellow to brown, and once that happens we add 2 spoons of milk. You will find then the texture becomes a little frothy, and to this frothy texture allow it to cook well over simmered gas. Keep sauteing this well so that it cooks and the color changes to a brownish tinge. To this add 1 cup of sugar and mix well. You can also add little more sugar based on your taste. To this also add elaichi and some food color and 1 cup of warm water. Ensure that the water should be warm and allow this mixture to cook well in this water. You'll find the texture thickening slowly and the halwa getting a rubbery non-stick texture. You can find that it will no more stick on the tawa. Add roasted cashew and almonds. Besan ka halwa is ready to be served.